Ladies and gents, welcome back. Some good news on the topic of free speech this morning. We have this here. Elon Musk is now Twitter's largest shareholder. This from Bloomberg. Elon Musk takes 9.2% stake in Twitter after hinting at a shakeup. Tesla CEO has regularly questioned Silicon Valley giants. Shares in the platform jump about 26% in pre-market trading. So Twitter stock up because Elon Musk purchased a large amount of it. That's not news. Elon Musk has taken 9.2% stake in Twitter Inc. to become the platform's biggest shareholder after a week of hinting he might shake up the social media industry. Twitter shares surged about 26% in pre-market trading after Musk's purchase was revealed Monday in a regulatory filing. His stake is worth about $2.89 billion based on Friday's market close. Musk polled his more than 80 million followers on Twitter last month, asking them whether the company adheres to well, let's just have a look at his tweet here. He tweeted out, "Free speech is essential to a functioning democracy. Do you believe Twitter rigorously adheres to this principle?" And an astounding 70.4% of people replied, no. No, they do not. And that was over 2 million votes on that. And he also said below, the consequences of this poll will be important. Please vote carefully. Now, Musk has been one of the biggest personalities on Twitter and has regularly run into trouble on the platform. Tesla Inc. Chief Executive Officer is currently seeking to exit a 2018 deal with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission that puts controls in place relating to his tweeting about his electric car maker. Not sure how that will go. You're not allowed to tweet about your own company if you're enthusiastic about your own company. SEC looks like wants to regulate. The announcement will be yet another major test for the new Twitter CEO, Parag Agrawal. Sorry, so hard to pronounce this. Who replaced Jack Dorsey after he unexpectedly resigned in November. Agrawal vowed to increase accountability. Now, we have not seen a lot of that. Now, here's the Twitter's stock market exchange here. It's unclear what Musk is planning with his stake. The filing with the SEC shows that the date of the event that triggered the disclosure was March 14th. The type of form used often indicates investors isn't seeking to acquire control of the company or to influence who controls it. Musk, already the world's richest person, according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, has made about $1.1 billion since mid-March based on the pop in Twitter's shares in recent trading Monday. Twitter is under pressure to move faster to building new products. The company has set ambitious revenue and user growth goals to convince skeptical investors that it's serious about expanding its business. While Twitter has grown steadily for years, its stock gains have lagged behind industry peers. Musk has lambasted Twitter's recent development of profile pictures linked to non-fungible tokens, the NFTs, saying the social media company has the wrong priorities, and I'd have to agree with him there. Now, we know as recent as the last U.S. presidential election that Twitter was eager in, suppressing news about Hunter Biden's laptop, and that was big news. And polls have suggested with undecided voters at the time that voted for Biden, they may have changed their vote had they had that information handy. So the industry giant Twitter, news aggregator as most people use it, has been less than forthcoming with their principles to free speech. As again, Musk saying free speech is essential to a functioning democracy. If people are going to vote, they need to be aware of what they're voting for. And Twitter is basically the beginning of the information aggregation on the internet. So this is good news. This is good news. Hopefully, Elon Musk is able to peddle a little bit of influence and push a little bit more for free speech. Anyway, that's all I have for you this morning. We'll see you in the next video. Keep on trucking.